Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So in today's market discussion, we will be discussing about the impact of Trump's reciprocal tariffs on the crypto market and why Bitcoin ETFs can attract $3 billion in inflows in the quarter 2 and why Avalanche FX can jump 10x in the near future. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies took a hit after President Donald Trump announced new tariffs on the US trading partners worldwide, sparking a decline in the risk assets such as cryptocurrencies. So on Wednesday, Trump revealed a minimum of 10% tariffs would be imposed on all exporters to the US, with additional duties on approximately 60 countries with significant trade imbalances with the US. Therefore, China could face a 34% tariffs, European Union a 20% levy, and Japan a 24% tariff. Initially, cryptocurrencies seemed to be weathering the news, but they started to falter as trading began in Asia. And Bitcoin has been on the rally, peaking at $88,500 but fell back to around 83,230 odd levels. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, fell over 2% to trade at $1,825. Following the tariff announcements, and the total cryptocurrency market capitalization fell by 1%, reaching $2.68 trillion. Market analysts noted that the cryptocurrencies often considered risk-on assets tend to struggle during uncertain times, such as when there is a higher interest rate scenario or trade tariffs which are announced just as today. However, despite the weak prices, Bitcoin ETFs saw over $1 billion in inflows during Q1, with analysts predicting up to $3 billion in the quarter 2 on optimism over surge in institutional demand, even as the retail investors remain cautious, driven by the increasing adoption and reduced regulatory concerns. And the next big move hinges on geopolitical and policy shifts and whether traders see Bitcoin as a risk or refuge. Separately, altcoins such as Ripple's XRP, Solana Sol, Link, and meme coin DOGE were down by single digits. Speaking about Cosmos, interchain developers test inter-blockchain communication transitions between the Cosmos and the Ethereum, aimed at enhancing the interoperability between the two chains, where you can send crypto assets from one blockchain directly to another without needing to use a bridge. On the back of this news, Cosmos Atom was trading higher by 3% at $4.43. Curve Finance has registered a $35 billion trading volume in the quarter 125, and hence Curve's native token DAO is trading higher by 1% in today's trade. Avalanche FX could rise to $55 by the year end and could see a 10-fold jump to $250 by the end of 2029, said Standard Chartered's Jeff Kendrick. The network's unique subnet architecture and the recent cost-reducing upgrade are the key growth drivers. And Avalanche, relatively low market cap and growing developer interest position is for outsizing gains if adoption accelerates. So speaking about the outlook, markets thrive on certainty, and with speculations now largely removed, institutional investors may see an opportunity over the coming days to take advantage of the compressed valuations. And the global responses will be the key for the market going forward, speculating that the Mexico and the key East Asian economies, including the China, South Korea and Japan, could be evaluating counter measures on the tariffs. That's all there is in this special edition of Coin Monitor. So Manoj Dara signing off, but keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting update and analysis on the crypto world. Until then, thank you.